In an era where mental health awareness is on the rise, couples therapy has become a sought-after service for maintaining healthy relationships. However, the cost of professional counseling can be prohibitive for many. This narrative explores how couples can access affordable therapy options without compromising on quality. Firstly, many community mental health centers offer sliding scale fees based on income. This makes therapy accessible to couples from various financial backgrounds. It's advisable to research local nonprofit organizations, as they often provide quality services or can refer couples to affordable therapists. Another viable option is university counseling centers. Many universities have graduate programs in psychology or counseling offering therapy services to the public at reduced rates, conducted by supervised students. This not only cuts costs but also supports the education of future therapists. Online therapy platforms have also revolutionized access to mental health services. Websites and apps like BetterHelp and Talkspace offer various subscription plans, significantly reducing costs compared to traditional therapy. These platforms also provide the convenience of remote sessions, which can be a significant advantage for busy couples. Employee assistance programs, EAPs, are another resource. Many employers offer EAPs that include a limited number of free counseling sessions for employees and their families. It's worth checking with your HR department to see if this benefit is available. Community groups and workshops can also serve as supplementary support. Religious organizations, local YMCAs, and community centers often host workshops or support groups that, while not substitutes for professional therapy, can offer additional guidance and a sense of community. Finally, it's important to consider insurance coverage. Many health insurance plans include mental health services, which can significantly reduce the cost of therapy. Couples should contact their insurance providers to fully understand their benefits. In conclusion, while traditional therapy can be expensive, there are numerous low-cost options available. With a bit of research and creativity, couples can access the support they need to foster healthy, lasting relationships without breaking the bank.